tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Same as that of tan a plus b formula. That's it. 1 minus x square is cos square, square root gets cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to 2 into theta is sin inverse x. Substitute theta is equal to cosecant inverse x, or that's also equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. That's it. Root of 1 plus tan square is secant square minus 1. Square root gets cancelled. Secant theta minus 1 by tan theta can be written as sin 1 by cos minus 1. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed the problems on inverse trigonometric functions, the problems related to 1 and 2 marks. Now in this session, I am going to take few more 2 marks problem as well as 3 marker questions. So very important for the point of examination. Now let me start with the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. Now these are very important properties, and there are 3 important formulas as well as the properties. Now first one is to prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, where xy is less than 1. Now let us take the substitution. Let tan inverse of x is equal to a. Let us consider tan inverse x as a, which implies tan a is equal to x. Tan a is equal to x. Similarly, consider this as tan inverse y as b, which implies tan b is equal to y. Now let us take this formula. We know that tan a plus b. What is tan a plus b? Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now substitute the values. What is tan a? Tan a is equal to x plus tan b is equal to y divided by 1 minus what is tan a? X, tan b is equal to y. So tan of a plus b is equal to x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Therefore only a plus b is equal to, transfer this tan to that side, then this becomes tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Now substitute what is a and what is b. What is a we have taken. Therefore tan inverse of x and what is b? Tan inverse of y. So tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the very important proof. So what is the formula here? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Same as that of tan a plus b formula. That's it. So if it is positive means numerator is positive and denominator is negative. Similarly, therefore I will write tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, where xy is less than 1. Right, xy is less than 1. Now similarly we can write tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy, where xy is greater than minus 1. And the last one, similarly, we have one more formula, that is 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. These are the 3 important formulas. Based on this, we are going to solve the problems. Right. Now let us move on to the problems. Now let us take this derivation. So 2 markers, sometimes they may ask for 3 marks also. Prove that 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, where mod x is less than or equal to 1. So what is to prove? 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now let us start with this RHS. Let us take RHS. What is RHS? Sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Let us take put x is equal to here tan theta. Let us consider x as tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Substitute here. So this given equation reduces to sin inverse of 2 times x is tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So there is one formula, you know, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is also equal to sin 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square. Otherwise, if you want, you can simplify like this. Tan theta can be written as sine by cos, 2 sine theta by cos theta divided by 1 plus tan square is secant square theta. So we can also write 2 sine theta divided by cos theta into 1 by cos is nothing but 1 by secant is cos square theta. On cos and cos gets cancelled. 2 sine theta cos theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. So this can also be written as sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Now here sine inverse of sine 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Then what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 2 tan inverse x, which is the required LHS. So here let us take RHS. RHS is sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta, then which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Substitute here. Sine inverse sine 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse of x, which is the required LHS. So therefore 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Very important problem. Now move on to the next problem. Same type. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square, where x is greater than or equal to 0. This is also same as that of the previous problem. Let us take RHS. What is RHS? Cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Here so take the substitution. Put x is equal to same tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Substitute here. So this is cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So you know there is one formula for 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is always equal to cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So if you want, you can simplify. Tan square can be written as sine square by cos square. Sine square by cos square. Take LCM in the numerator. Cos square minus 1 divided by sine square. Denominator cos square plus 1 plus sine square. Cos square plus sine square is 1. So denominator cos square gets cancelled. Cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. So this is also equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Now cos inverse of cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. Now substitute the value of theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to 2 tan inverse of x, which is the required LHS. That's it. Very simple. Hope you followed. See, just take RHS. What is RHS? Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Put x is equal to tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. We know 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square is cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 theta. Then 2 into substitute the value of theta, tan inverse of x, which is the required answer. Now move on to the next problem. This is also very important type problem for 3 marks. These are all the problems from the previous year question papers. Now what is to prove? Prove that sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sine inverse x, where minus 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by root 2. Similarly, there is one more problem to prove that cos inverse, right? So let us take LHS first. What is LHS here? This is LHS, sine inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Now as usual, take the substitution. Put x is equal to sine theta, which implies theta is equal to sine inverse of x. So here the value of x lies between minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. Now take x is equal to sine theta in this case. Now this becomes sine inverse of 2 into what is x? X is sine theta into root of 1 minus x square is sine square theta. That's equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta into root of what is 1 minus sine square? Cos square theta. Root of 1 minus sine square is cos square. Sine inverse 2 into sine theta as it is, square root gets cancelled. This is cos theta. So if you want, I will write the formulas here. 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, and again 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Multiple angles. So this is sine inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin inverse sin gets cancelled. That's equal to 2 theta. 2 into what is theta here? Sin inverse of x, which is the required RHS. That's it. See, 2 sin inverse 2x by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 sin inverse of x. Very important for problem. Just take LHS. Put x is equal to sin theta. Take this as the substitution. X is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Sin inverse 2 into sin theta root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square is cos square. Square root gets cancelled. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to 2 into theta is sin inverse x. Usually, whatever the answer on the RHS, that is the substitution we are going to consider in majority cases, right? Now, there is one more problem like this. Same, prove that sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 cos inverse of x. That's also equal to 2 cos inverse of x. The condition is here, instead of minus 1 by root 2, it is plus 1 by root 2, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1. That's it. So, if it is minus 1 by root 2, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1 by root 2, the answer on the right hand side is 2 sin inverse x. If it is 1 by root 2, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 1 means that is 2 cos inverse x. These two problems are very important. Now move on to one more problem on multiple angles of 3a. So here also there are 3 problems. Let me take this one. Prove that 3 sin inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Now take LHS. Yes, first write down the RHS. Let us write RHS. RHS is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. What is the given condition? X belongs to minus 1 by 2 comma plus 1 by 2. Now let us take the substitution. Therefore put x is equal to sin theta, which implies theta is equal to sin inverse of x. Now this can be written as sin inverse 3 into what is x? X is equal to sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now you might have been studied one formula, that is sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is also equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Right. So if you observe carefully, this is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is nothing but sin 3 theta. Sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Sin inverse gets cancelled, 3 theta, that is 3 into what is the value of theta? Sin inverse of x. So 3 sin inverse of x, which is the required LHS. That's it. So therefore 3 sin inverse of x is also equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Right. So there is one more problem like proving 4 cos inverse of x. So there are two problems. One is 3 sin inverse x. Another one is 4 cos inverse x. They are nothing but sin 3a and cos 3. So based on a sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Now write the simplest form of tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x, where minus 3 pi by 2 less than x less than pi by 2. Now, so this given equation can be written as given equation is equal to tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Just make use of all off angle formulas. So this is tan inverse cos theta is also equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Instead of theta it is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 whole divided by, in the denominator 1 is also equal to cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus this sin x is also equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now if you observe carefully, the numerator is of the form a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Denominator, if you observe carefully, this is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but a plus b whole the square. Denominator is a square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole the square. That is a minus b whole the square. So that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. This is a minus b. Now if you observe carefully here, one term in the numerator and denominator, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 gets cancelled. What is left? That's equal to tan inverse of, we have in the numerator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This is left over. Now divide throughout by cos, convert into tan, divide both numerator and denominator term by cos x by 2. So this becomes tan inverse, divide both numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, term by term division, cos gets cancelled, 1 plus sin by cos is tan x by 2 divided by cos cancel, 1 minus sin by cos is tan x by 2. So this can also be written as tan inverse of 1 can be written as tan 45. What is tan pi by 4? It is 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by, in the denominator 1 minus, this can also be written as 1 into tan x by 2. That 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. Now if you observe carefully here, this is of the form tan inverse of tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B is nothing but tan A plus B formula. What is A? Pi by 4. What is B? X by 2. So we can write this as tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now tan inverse gets cancelled. This is equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. So the simplified answer for this is pi by 4 plus x by 2 is the simplest form for the given trigonometric function. That's it. Just convert into half angles. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now there is a similar type problem. Move on to the similar type problem. Write the simplest form of tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x, where x lies between 0 and pi. Same problem. Convert this into tan. That's it. So the given equation can be written as given equation tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Now convert this to tan. Further divide both numerator and denominator term by cos x. This reduces to tan inverse cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan x divided by cos is 1 plus sin by cos is tan x. Now this is equal to tan inverse of, as usual, 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus this tan x is also equal to 1 into tan x. 1 is tan pi by 4 into tan x. The reason is 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4. Now if you observe carefully, this is nothing but tan inverse of tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A, tan B is nothing but tan A minus B. So this is tan of A minus B, pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to pi by 4 minus x is the simplified answer. Same as that of the previous problem. So 1 is tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus 1 can also be written as tan pi by 4 into tan x, because here tan 45 is 1 into tan x is tan x you will get. So tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A, tan B is nothing but tan A minus B. Tan inverse gets cancelled. That's equal to pi by 4 minus x is the simplest form. That's it. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Write the simplest form of tan inverse 1 over x square minus 1 where mod of x is greater than 1. Now let us solve this. What is the given equation? The given equation is tan inverse 1 over root of x square minus 1. Let us take the substitution. Put x is equal to cosecant theta, which implies theta is equal to cosecant inverse of x. So the given equation becomes tan inverse 1 over root of x is equal to cosecant x square is cosecant square theta minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse 1 over root of, you know the formula, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta, right? What is cot square theta? Cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So square root of cosecant square minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta. Square root gets cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by square root gets cancelled, cot theta. So what is the reciprocal of cot theta? Tan inverse 1 by cot theta is also equal to tan theta. Tan inverse of theta is equal to theta. Now what is theta? Substitute the value of theta. Theta is equal to cosecant inverse of x plus. Cosecant inverse x is the simplest form. That's it. Hope you followed, right? So if you want, you can write this cosecant inverse x is also equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse x. What is secant? What is secant 90 minus theta? Cosecant theta. So cosecant inverse x is also equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. Just put x is equal to cosecant theta. So it is nothing but 1 over cosecant square minus 1 is cot square, square root gets cancelled. 1 by cot theta is tan theta. Tan inverse is equal to theta. Substitute theta is equal to cosecant inverse x, or that's also equal to pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. That's it. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Same type. Write the simplest form of tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, where x is not equal to 0. Now what is the given problem? Actually the given equation is tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Now put x is equal to tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse of x. This given equation becomes tan inverse root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by x is equal to tan theta. Now this is equal to tan inverse root of 1 plus tan square is secant square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So this can also be written as tan inverse secant square minus secant square root gets cancelled, secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Let us simplify this by taking the reciprocal relation. So that's equal to tan inverse of secant theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Take LCM and simplify. Tan inverse, in the numerator cos theta is the LCM, 1 minus cos theta, and transfer this to the numerator. This goes to the numerator, cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos and cos gets cancelled. So what is left over in the numerator is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, simplify this, you will get the answer. That's it. Now you know the off angle formulas. For 1 minus cos theta, it is again off angle formulas. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. For sin theta, it is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 1 sin and sin gets cancelled. What is left over is tan inverse of sin by cos is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse gets cancelled, that's equal to theta by 2. Right. Substitute the value of theta. What is theta? Theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So the answer is of tan inverse x is the simplest form. Of into tan inverse x is the simplest form for this. That's it. Hope you followed. See, very simple. Here the problem is like this. The root is only for 1 plus x square. So tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Root of 1 plus tan square is secant square minus 1. Square root gets cancelled. Secant theta minus 1 by tan theta can be written as sin 1 by cos minus 1. Sin by cos. Take LCM and simplify. 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. This goes to the numerator. So cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos and cos gets cancelled. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. For 1 minus cos theta, the half angle formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. For sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, 2 and 2, 1 sin and sin gets cancelled. Tan inverse of sin by cos is tan. Tan inverse is equal to theta by 2. So of tan inverse of x is the simplest form for the given this trigonometric equation. Right. Now let me take one problem on the properties. Now prove that this is very important problem. So you may expect this for 2 or 3 marks. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 is equal to pi by 4. Very simple. Let us take LHS. What is LHS? Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. Now this is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y is equal to, what is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. What is x here? X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is equal to tan inverse x is 1 by 2, y is 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. This is equal to tan inverse of, in the numerator take LCM, 6 is the LCM, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 ones are 2 divided by 1 minus, here 1 into 1 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6. Again this can be written as tan inverse of 5 divided by 6 divided by, take LCM, 6 is the LCM, 6 ones are 6 minus 1, 6 and 6 gets cancelled. This is equal to tan inverse of 5 divided by 6 minus 1 is also 5. Tan inverse 5 by 5, tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4, which is a required RHS. That's it. Very simple problem, right? See here. This is of the form tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. X is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Take LCM, 3 2s are 6, cross multiply, 3 1s are 3 plus 2. Again 1 minus 1 1s are 1, multiply, 2 3s are 6. Again take LCM, 6 is LCM, 6 1s are 6 minus 1. So 6 and 6 gets cancelled, 5 divided by 6 minus 1 is also 5. Tan inverse of 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. What is tan inverse 1? 5 by 4. Tan 45 is 1. So the answer is tan inverse of 1 is 5 by 4, which is a required answer, 5 by 2. That's it, right? Suppose if it is minus, similarly if it is minus, so tan inverse of 1 by 2 minus tan inverse of 1 by 3 means, what is the answer we are going to get here is, so here we are going to get 3 minus 2 is 1 divided by 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So we are going to get it as tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. 1 by 7 is the answer we are going to get if it is minus. That's it. Hope you followed. These two problems are very, very important for the point of examination, right? So these are few problems for 2 markers and 3 marks. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with different type of problems in the next session. Thank you very much.